My name is Mark Eisele, and I'm the owner of Puljak Company, located here in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. We are the manufacturers of the Puljak fence stretching tool, and I'm here today to show you how to repair a workhead. So we'll get right into it. First thing I do is pick up a regular flathead screwdriver and my small cam spring compressor. I'm going to move this into the back, and with that slotted hole there, I'm going to slide the screwdriver between the spring and the small cam. I'm going to catch that spring and I'm going to pull back on it, which releases that small cam. And then I'm going to take a pair of flat-headed needle nose pliers and I'm going to grab that small cam. I'm just going to twist it and pull it out. Then I'm going to grab my trigger cam spring compressor and I'm going to insert it and do the same thing. I'm going to slide the screwdriver between the spring and the trigger cam. I'm going to slide it down through there, and we want to get both the top and the bottom of the spring if we can. And we're going to pull back on that to release the trigger cam. Then you're going to grab the trigger cam, twist it, and pull it out. And there you have your two cams removed. So now we're going to remove the springs. So I have a special pair of pliers here that I use to grab the spring. So we're going to first grab the front spring and we're going to insert my pliers in there. We're going to squeeze together. We're going to pull up and turn. And as you do that, the spring will release. And we're going to do the same thing with the back spring. And sometimes you might need a little bit of help with this one, so you take a screwdriver again, just to pull it from the back. So you can grab it with your pliers. And then you're going to squeeze it together, turn it, and you're going to pull it out. So there we have both of our springs removed and our two cams. Now we're going to replace those with new cams and new springs. So I take my spring compressor pliers and I just squeeze the spring together and I push it down and I get the forward spring and do the same thing. Then I have a pair of pliers that are notched, electrical pliers, and you just grab the spring, squeeze it together, twist and turn, and it drops it right in position. And you do that with the front spring also. Twist and turn, and it drops right in position. Then you're going to grab your small cam spring compressor, insert it, slide your screwdriver down through, pull back your spring, take your small cam with your pliers, just going to go in at an angle, turn it, let go, pull your screwdriver out, and your small cam is in position. With your trigger cam, you're going to take your trigger cam spring compressor, slide it in, slide your screwdriver down through, grab both ends, the front, the top, and the bottom of the spring. You're going to pull back, take your trigger cam, slide it in sideways, turn it, release your spring, pull your screwdriver out, and there you have it. Your workhead is repaired, and you just take your 2.5 foot rod, depress your trigger cam, slide it in. You're going to replace your handle casting with your clevis pin, and if everything's working right, it will remove your handle. And that's how you repair a workhead assembly.